solve the given system of linear equation by graphing. So, i-graph muna natin yung first equation by gamit yung intercepts. So, para makuha natin yung x-intercept, let y is equal to 0. So, and then, bring down natin yung 2x. And then, after that, let y is equal to 0. Okay, so, ayan, pinalitan natin ng 0 yung y. And 3 times 0 is 0, of course. And bring down 2x equals 6. So, bring down 2 both sides para makuha natin yung x-intercept. And the x-intercept is 3. And then, next ay yung y-intercept naman yung kunin natin. Para makuha yon, ay let x is equal to 0. So, and then bring down na lang natin yung negative 3y. And then yung 6. 2 times 0 is 0. And bring down negative 3y and 6. So, bring down negative 3 both sides. So, yung ating y-intercept is negative 2. So, ngayon ay i-draw na natin yung graph sa Cartesian plane. Sa first equation lang yon. So, x-intercept is equal to positive 3. So, doon yon. And then, y-intercept is negative 2. At i-connect na natin. So, yan. Wala tayong ruler, kaya nag-improvise na lang tayo. Connect the points. Okay, so yan na yung graph ng first equation. So next, the second equation, same process, intercepts pa rin yung gagamitin natin. So para makuha yung x-intercept, let y is equal to 0. Then 3 times 0, of course, it is 0, and bring down 5x and 15. So, bring down 5 both sides to get the x-intercept. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Ayan. Next, yung y-intercept naman yung kukunin natin. So, para makuha yun, let x is equal to 0. Ayan. Bring down lang yung 3y and 15. 5 times 0. Siyempre, 0 yan. Yeah, so divide both sides by 3 para makuha yung y-intercept. So y-intercept natin ay 5. And i-graph na naman natin ulit. Draw the graph. So x-intercept is 3. So pareho tayo ng x-intercept sa first and second equation. And then yung y-intercept is positive 5. Ayun, andun yung positive 5. And then, connect the points gamit ang ating improvise ruler. Ayun, wala tayong ruler, walang pambili. Ayan. So, yan yung ating graph. So, ngayon, saan natin makuha yung solusyon? So, makuha natin yan sa point of intersection. So, saan ba nag-intersect? Kung saan nag-intersect, yun yung ating solusyon. At dyan, ang mag-intersect siya sa point 3 and 0. Ayan. So, ayan yung solution. 3, 0. So, kahit i-check pa natin yan, substitute natin sa equation yung ating solution. So, x equals 3, diba? So 2 times 3 equals 6. And then y is 0. 3 times 0 equals 0. So 6 plus 0 equals 6 pa rin. So 6 is equal to 6. Kaya check yan. Ganon din sa second equation. So check natin. 5 times 3 equals 15. And 3 times 0 equals 0. So 15 plus 0 equals 15. Yan. So 15 is equal to 15 check. Therefore, tama yung solusyon natin na 3 and 0.